Welcome to our special budget edition of Trading Up. It was the coronation of Prince Charming with the first May budget for Treasurer Jim Chalmers. Trading Up, a collaboration by The West Australian and Grappa. The word of the day, well, there are two: responsible and affordable. Of course, budgets, especially hard time budgets, aren't supposed to be thrilling documents. Treasurer Jim Chalmers says this federal budget will help with cost of living, but also deliver a $4.2 billion surplus. The first surplus since Peter Costello in the Howard era. Job seekers will get an extra $40 a fortnight as part of a $4.9 billion boost to support Aussies looking for work or studying on apprenticeships. Renters and those living in community housing will get another $31 extra a fortnight in rent assistance, but it won't help too much with the nation in the grip of a rental crisis. There was some cash splashed for health, with $3.5 billion for bulk billing incentives and another $2.2 billion to overhaul Medicare. Let's spin the wheel, and the winner is clean energy, with $2 billion for a new Hydrogen Head Start program to support investment in renewable hydrogen production. The government is forecasting that the unemployment rate will remain low into 2024, but it's got a plan to fill the gap. Albanese is stumping up $3.7 billion to create 300,000 fee-free TAFE places to help skill shortages. One sector that might finally be able to fill some vacant roles is aged care. Aged care workers will get a much-needed pay rise, with the government bumping up the award rate by 15%. And should we be worried? Defence spending is also back on the agenda, with this budget setting aside $19 billion over 4 years for a defence strategic review. The government is buying new toys like nuclear-powered submarines, boosting long-range strike capabilities and strengthening northern bases. And finally, something for young families. $9 billion over the next 4 years for cheaper childcare and paid parental leave. Millions of Australians will get help with energy rebates, childcare subsidies and increases in welfare payments. But this is going to create long-term headaches for the government, which is dealing with ballooning costs in defence, health, aged care and the NDIS. We hope there was something for you in this responsible budget. We'll be back to normal programming tomorrow. In the meantime, you can find more business news content and analysis on thewest.com.au and grappa.com. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.